Okay, hello everybody. Today we're going to look at Chunky Chimp with remainders. So, let's write out the question. 75 divided by 4. Okay, now like in our first Chunky Chimp video, we talked about how we work this method. Now, watch. With remainders, it's exactly the same, but we have an extra step. Okay, let's pop our box in at the end because we don't know the answer yet. Okay, where do we start? Well, we know that something multiplied by 4 is 75. Let's write it in. We put our box, our multiplication sign, our 4, which is always in the same column, equals 75. Okay, now we need to take our nice happy number. We're going to choose 10. Don't choose 20 because the answer is too big. 20 times 4 is 80. That's too big. We want 75. Okay, so 10 multiplied by 4 equals 40. Okay, let's do our ruler line. Are we ready? Now what do we do next? Subtraction. Let's pop in our subtraction sign. Okay, 75 subtract 40. Are you ready? 5 subtract 0. 5. 7 subtract 4 is 3. Now, I'm looking at that number. I know it is not in the 4 times table. So this is our new step. Are you ready? We need to decide what number in the 4 times table, what answer is the nearest. Let's work it out. 4 times table, I know the answer. 8 times 4 is 32. Let's write it out. And again, we draw a ruler line. And a subtraction. Now what do? We subtract 35 and 32. So, let's work it out. 5 subtract 2 is 3. 3 subtract 3, I know the answer is 0. So, I'm going to put in my remainder. That is your remainder. Now, how do I find the answer? If you remember from our first video, we circle or pop a square around these 2 digits. 18, 10, and 8. So what's our answer? Let's write it in the box. 18, remainder 3. Let's write it above as well. 18, remainder 3. Okay, so 75 divided by 4 is 18, remainder 3.